V12 as well. This is with that retractable wing at the back too. This is a powerful car.
It certainly is. Also available in hybrid as well. And
and it's unique bodywork, so you are eating your heart to get your car. You feel very lucky to see it, you're actually going overseas.
It certainly differentiates it from the other Aston Martins currently in the range. Right there, this is more from Ferrari.
Yeah, we have put the story in it, and then we're going to why they sell so many cars.
Yeah, V8 turbocharged engine as well in that Ferrari, isn't it? Power in that, and this the Ferrari Daytona ST3 rear wheel V8. Well, no, sorry, the Ferrari Daytona the wheel. This is the most Ferrari driver car they've ever made. Naturally aspirated V12 engine.
Sky Broadband, a total of
We did them in order, T50, that's now production. The road to the UK is quite complicated. T33 were in development, but this is a heavy development for T33 with 3 fuels.
Had the roof on the last couple of days, but today the weather is perfect and the roof is on, so you get the full force, the full sound. Glorious sound, glorious design. I love that Ferrari are doing these. I think we'll look back on these as very special moments in Ferrari's history. Because these aren't regular these are designed purely for the style.
Ferrari 812 Competizione.
People pay a huge amount
of money to own that car.
Yeah, 830 horsepower road legal this, if you can believe it, as it makes its way
Kevin White sold his 812 Super.